Good morning, students. Today our class is Social Science and we will study Unit 2, a new lesson, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life. I will not read textbook. I make it summary and that point-wise summary help you to understand clearly. Let's read the story, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life. Primitive man means people of very old time, approximately 20 lakhs years ago. They lived a nomadic life in search of food and spent their time in hunting. This stage of humans is called as hunters and gatherers. They hunted animals like deer, fish and birds and got their food from collecting roots and fruits. They settled down near the sources of river as water is essential for life. Archaeologists, anthropologists and historians have found many places of habitation of primitive men in India. Since the life of hunter-gatherers is associated with some technology, this time is called Paleolithic or Stone Age. Primitive men used to cover their body with the peel or bark of a tree and the skin of animals. These primitive men used stone to cut vegetation and spare the skin of the animals. These primitive men preferred to stay in good and large places where stones, wood and water could be found. They lived in caves for protection from rain and wild animals. Natural caves have been found in the Vindhya mountain range in central India and the surrounding regions of the Narmada river. These primitive peoples' habitat named Bhimbetka have been found in Madhya Pradesh. Nearly 500 paintings or images of birds, deer, wooden spears, trees, human beings, etc. drawn by the primitive men have been found in the Bhimbetka caves. The ruins of ashes have been found from the caves of primitives at Karnool in South India. About 11,000 years ago, primitive men started to use fire. The discovery of fire brought revolutionary changes in his life. After that, the invention of the wheel resulted a significant change in the lives of primitive men. They made a wheel from a tree trunk and thick wood. About 12,000 years ago, wide changes in the atmosphere around the world led to the development of grasslands. As a result, the number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats increased. Primitive men came in contact with wheat, barley and other grains. Due to the production of agriculture, the primitive people started settled life. The dog was the first companion of the settled life of primitive man. Besides this, they became familiar with the animals like sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes, and pigs. They started animal husbandry with farming. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a wild change in the food habits, clothes, and the shelter of primitive man. They made farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. from stone. Archaeologists have discovered places like Burjam, Gufkar, Hurangi, Mehergarh, Langhaj and Bhimbetka. Sharp stone implements have been found from places of Mehergarh and Inamgaon. In ancient time, Mehergarh may be considered as the oldest village of India. Presently, it is located in Pakistan. The farming of barley and wheat was started in Mehergarh. Sheep and goats were reared there. Primitive people also stored grains. According to the evidence found at the place in Mehergarh, the people of that time buried goat with the dead bodies. The remains of children's dead bodies have been found in Inamgaon in Maharashtra. The people of this age lived in round-shaped houses. They reared cattle and grew millet or bajra and barley. Students, this chapter is here completed. I hope you will understand, and next class we will take English period, and I will give you the homework. You will complete it and send me. One thing, if you do not have textbook or workbook, purchase it from the store. Okay, now see you in next class. Thank you very much.